That's how we kill a parrotfish. Can you believe it? It's well over 10 years old, I think it might be 12. And it's seen off every fish that we've had in this tank. And it absolutely hates me. As you can see, it just wants to attack us all the time. Look at that. Wicked. Absolutely wicked, even though I feed it. I think I'll stick my finger in the top, see what it does. And in fact I know what it does, it tries to attack us when I stick my fingers in there. Let's have a look. See what it's going to do. Is it coming? There we go. Nearly had my finger off. Look at it. Vicious. Wow. Absolutely vicious. And there's old Maisie coming out to try and protect us. Look at it. Anyway, that's how we kill a parrotfish.